So welcome back to my channel. This is my second video. This is Maria Oyars, and I was storm chasing on February 26, 2023. It was supposed to be severe thunderstorms that day, and with possibly tornadoes. I hope you enjoy my photos and videos that I took. And then you'll see the dry line that was entering into Oklahoma. And this is what later on caused the straight line damaging winds that came through the state. I watched some lightning in the distance near Shamrock, Texas. You can see where I was on the map. And in the image, you can see a tractor trailer that had been flipped over near Weatherford, Oklahoma, due to straight line damaging winds. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed.